Hello everyone, my name is Rodion. I'm recording this podcast right in Vladivostok, Russia. Also, we call our city as Russian San Francisco. Maybe the original of this second name of our city can be explained by the same beauty. Why not? What do you think? I'm speaking on behalf of Lawyers Creed Company. This company is located also in Vladivostok city. You can simply check the information about our company in Instagram by tapping Lawyers Creed. Creed, it is not usual creed because there is 3 E instead of 2. Okay, also we have a website credajurista.rf. There was a Russian version of website because we still don't have English version. But anyhow, I guess in the future, English version of site will be available too. Also, I made it a bit easier for you to find us. You can just click the link below the podcast or below the video, and you can try to find out as much as you can about our company. Okay, what is our podcast will be about? That's the really interesting question, because even me myself still wonder about the content or about the topic of the podcast. Basically, it suddenly came into my head that it would be an interesting idea for all people from our great world how interesting, how different experience and knowledge about law could be. So basically I'm interested in sharing this experience and knowledge, because that is the trick of law. You can live in Africa or in London or in Vladivostok, and the law would be different. But at the same time, despite the differences, all legal systems have something in common that can help us to find common lines of behavior. So I'm interested in sharing all this variety. There is a lots of things to do. What do you think of law in general? Does it help a lot in our daily life? What is the law, basically? Is it good or is it bad? And finally, is it necessary at all? Maybe we can live without law. What do you think? So in each podcast, I'm going to tell you a little story that is connected with a special case. It could be different interesting question about agreement, negotiations, troubleshooting with your partners or workers or colleagues, whatever. Also, you can offer any new topic if you think it will bring something interesting. In the end of every podcast, a small task will be waiting for you. Usually, I will bring the case, and you ought to decide what the line of behavior you prefer and why. So here is the first task for you. Just listen very attentively. You have ordered a taxi, but there is no taxi in 10 minutes. After that, you were waiting and finally call another company to order a new car. In 5 minutes, you see both cars arrived at the same time. What would you do? Why? Please leave your point of view on that matter below by commenting a podcast. Tell your friends about podcast and wait for the next one. Have a good time. See you soon. Lawyer's Creed, Art of Court Protection.